Hello everyone, welcome to Enjoy Learning Computer Science. I'm completely excited to showcase my final DIY project for the International Teachers Training Program, which was conducted by Stempedia on Pictoblox. Okay, so my project is Tobi's Student Report Board. I've named as Tobi's Student Report Board because I love the sprite Tobi. That's what. Okay, now let me explain how my project works. Okay, so my project, I have added some a menu driven program. I have used functions, user defined functions to add student details, the name of the student and marks of the students, and then to display all the records, to search for a particular student details, and then just to use NumPy, I have given some statistics like what is the subject average marks as well as total marks for each student, and then print the report card, student wise report card, and also I have included screen time analyzer, whether the student is utilizing the screen time properly. So that report also will be shared. So this is what I have done in my project. So let's quickly see the code. Okay, so this is my code. So here I have defined a function to add student. I have included 5 subjects: English, Math, Physics, Chemistry and Computer Science, because I am handling grade 11. So my class also I have given is 11A. So this first one is to add student. The student name will be entered as well as the marks for 5 subjects will be added. In the second function, to display the details. If the student mark is not found, it will display a message, oops, no student data found. Otherwise, it will display the student of the entire class 11A, what is the student marks, subject wise marks and subject wise highest marks also. Then search. For searching, I have used the linear search method. To search for a particular student, the student name will be entered as input, and for that particular student, the mark details will be displayed. If the student is not found, error message, the sprite will say student not found. And the next one is to display the NumPy operation. I have given to display the total mark of each student as well as the subject average I have calculated using NumPy. And then to print the report, first I will get the name from the user itself. Then for that particular student, the report card will be generated according to the marks the child has scored. And then analyze screen time. So for this I have given input from a CSV file. The data will be collected from a CSV file. And then collected from the CSV file, and then it will calculate the screen time accordingly. A bar chart and a pie chart will be displayed. The bar chart will display the amount of time spent for each, for education and for the other purpose, and this pie chart will display the percentage of the screen time. And it will the sprite also will say a message accordingly. If the total time is greater than 300 minutes, has high screen time, otherwise has healthy screen usage. And then finally, tips for healthy screen use also will be printed. Break every hour, use productivity apps, avoid screens before sleep, and so on. So let's execute and let's run the program quickly. Okay. First, the Tobi message will be displayed by Tobi. It's taking little time. Yeah. Welcome to Tobi's student report board. The menu will be displayed. First, let me select one. Let me add a new student. So first, Tom and Jerry is my favorite cartoon characters. I'm giving Tom. I'm entering some random marks quickly. Okay. One student added, Tom added successfully. Again, I'm going to add 2 more students. So again, I'm selecting one. Let me add a new student. Now I'm giving Jerry as the name, and let me enter 5 marks. Okay, Jerry added successfully. Again, I'm choosing one. Now I'm giving the name as Dev, right? Marks. Okay, I have entered marks. They've also added successfully. Now I'm selecting the option 2 to display all the records. So students data of 11 Thomas Tobi is telling, and then it is displaying students, all the Tom, Jerry, Dave, all the students marks are displayed, subject wise average is displayed, and subject wise highest mark is also displayed. And then to search for a particular student details, I am giving the option as 3, and name is asking, I am giving Jerry. Okay, so student Jerry found, and it is displaying the marks of Jerry. If the name given is not found, it will say name not found, record not found. And then I am giving the option as 4, which is statistics, calculating statistics with NumPy. So it displays total mark of each student, and subject wise average also will be displayed. And then I'm going to print the report card, which is option 5, right? So it is asking the name to generate. Let me give Tom now. So Tom's report card is printed, and the performance of Tom is also displayed in a bar chart, right? So this is report card. So once now, sixth option is screen time analyzer. So it is asking the name of the student. Now I'm giving the name as Dev. So analyzing screen usage for Dev. So you can see here a bar chart is displayed. 130 minutes they were spent in educational apps, and around 200 minutes they were spent in entertainment apps, right? And this is Dev's screen time distribution. So 60.6% entertainment and 39.4 is educational, right? So this is how my project works. And finally, it is giving a tips also, tips for healthy screen use, break every hour, use productivity apps, avoid screen time. And Tobi also said more screen time, so avoid using that. And then let's me give the option is 7, which is exit. So thanks for using Tobi student report bot. Good day. The Tobi says like that. So this is how my project works. Hope you must have enjoyed, and any reviews are welcome. Now in this platform itself, I'm very happy to share my experience attending the international teacher training sessions conducted by Stempedia on Pictoblox. These sessions were extremely insightful and also well structured. Each topic was explained in great depth and clarity. I truly enjoyed every session and felt completely excited to try out all the DIY projects. You must have seen all my DIY projects. A special thanks to Mr. Vivek for his patience and clarity in teaching. He explained every concept thoroughly and addressed all our doubts with a smile. Thank you, Mr. Vivek, and thank you, Stempedia, for such a wonderful learning opportunity. Thank you all. Bye-bye.